Look around. Energy is all around us. We use it in every aspect of our life. It enables us to do amazing things. But what if we run out of energy? Our world oil reserves are quickly diminishing. And our population is expected to double by 2050. At the rate our world are consuming energy, we will not be able to sustain ourselves for future generations. So how do we live in a world that we cannot sustain? This is the world look like if we don't use energy efficiently. So what's the answer?
My name is Teguh Bintang Nugraha, student at Universitas Indonesia, majoring Industrial Engineering, and I'm here as Schneider Electric Campus Ambassador from Universitas Indonesia. As Schneider Electric Campus Ambassador, I will tell you the story of energy. So let's take a look how you use energy. Start from your mobile phone.
Like all other gadgets that we use in our life, your phone uses energy. So every second that you plug in, your electricity bill will be creeping up, with a typical house using around 1,332 kilowatts hour per year, which costs about 1,000,000 rupiah. Before the electricity can be transported, it have to be generated. In Indonesia, there's quite few ways this happens, but the main methods is oil, gas, and coal. We do use some form of renewable energy, like hydro, solar, and biomass. But generally, it's only provide a fraction of our needs. Let's focus on one of our main resources of energy, which is coal. Because in the last 10 years, it has overtaken oil and gas as the biggest fuel for electricity production. Coal has to be burned to produce electricity. By burning coal, which account for 47 million tons of CO2 emissions, made Indonesia the world's sixth biggest producer of greenhouse gas emissions. Okay, let's revisit our trusty mobile phone, still plugged in of course. But that's not the only things in the house that need power. Since 1998, the number of electronic goods in average Indonesia household has trebled, contributing to 7.04% increase in energy consumption. And charging mobile phone is just a tip of the iceberg. We all use electronic that we don't really need. Multiply that by an estimated 25 million homes in Indonesia. Add in demand of industry, transportation, retail, and agriculture, and you realize that we are in a nation hooked on energy. And the worrying thing is, our energy demand are increasing all the time, which means we are depending on fossil fuels that are running out. So what's the answer? Let's summarize the whole story. First, fossil fuels will run out. Second, fossil fuel cause problem to people and planet. So it's clear that we need to change our relationship with energy. But how? First and foremost, you can lose less. This does not only mean using few electrical devices, it also means using what you have more efficiently. Second, think about switching to a green energy or even creating your own electricity. And finally, you can be a part of the solutions too by spreading the word of energy efficiency to your friends. By spreading about energy efficiency and increasing people awareness, you can create change. The future may look good if we continue the path we're on. However, Schneider Electric, a global leader in energy management, are creating new innovative solutions to counter this ever-expanding crisis, taking us down to a different path, a new future.
So what are you waiting for? Use less energy, switch to green energy, and spread the word about energy efficiency to your friends to make a safe place for our future generations.